We're going to use kilometres. We always use metric, really, with map reading. If you look on the left side of the 0 kilometres, you've also got notches on there, and them notches are 100-metre intervals, okay, right up to a kilometre. So we've got 0 to 5 on the right, and then 0 to 1 on the left, which is broken down into 100-metre segments. So what we're going to do with our piece of string then, hopefully you can see this all right. So I've got this piece of string here that we've measured like so. Let's see if that focuses there. So what we're going to do, that end measurement that we've got here, I'm still holding it there. We want to put that on a full kilometre. Okay, so what I mean by that is 1, 2, or 3. We want to put that end on one of these full numbers, 1, 2, or 3, because I'm not going to be much bigger than that. So if I put it on 3, well, actually, that's pretty spot on. So if I put that on the 3 there, yeah, and I spread it out, that actually reaches, as you can see there, that comes to the 0 point. So that track there that I've just measured is actually 3 kilometres. I couldn't have done that if I'd tried. Right. That's not helped with my demonstration, to be honest. Right, so that track was 3 kilometres. But let's say, for instance, that the track was a little bit longer. So not at the 3 here. Let's say it was a bit longer. And I pick up the string here. Okay, so I've made it a bit longer there. So again, what we want to do, we want to put that piece of string, this is just to show you how to use a scale better, put that piece of string on a full number. So if I put that down on the 2, and then we look at the string here, that string is coming well past this scale here. But what we want to do, we want to put this end of the string on a full number, but also have the end of the string in this scale here. And I'll show you why now. So if we move that string from 2 kilometres up to 3 kilometres, okay. If you look here, we're still overhanging the box here. So we need to move up some more. Move it up to 4 kilometres. So I've now got the end on the 4 here. I'm holding that. I've not let go of that. And then we look at the end of the string here. We stretch that out. If we look at that now, we can see the end of the string is on this mark here. Now we know that from here and here is 1 kilometre, and each one of these is 100 metres. So if we look at the whole thing, we know now we have got 4.2